وسع كرسيه فلك الحمد لك Sungafana mo
For the one that is afraid of the punishment of the akhirah. Me and you, because the knowledge is minimized, we don't understand that the azab al-akhirah start from when? إن أول منازل من منازل الآخرة القبر. القبر هو أول منازل من منازل الآخرة. The first place of the akhirah begins in the grave. The first place of akhirah begins in the grave. I was talking to the students tonight, this afternoon, my group 2 or group 3 student. We were doing Surah Al-Nasr and I said something. One of the students said, no, Sheikh, no, this is not what is in the book. I said, yes, show me, give me proof. He gave me the proof. I said, you're correct. I want you to know Allah Rabbul Izzah wal Jalal, when the human being came to this dunya, quote me, get the quote. When you came to this dunya, you were squeezed to this dunya. I said, when you came to this dunya, you were squeezed to this dunya. He said, what do you mean, then squeeze? Baba, they can't do small biology here. When you will enter into the akhirah, you will be squeezed into the akhirah. Knowledge. Allah said, وَمَنْ يُؤْتَ الْحِكْمَةَ فَقَدْ أُوتِيَ خَيْرًا كَثِيرًا. Wisdom is better than books. Allah praised knowledge, but He gives favor over understanding of the knowledge than person that just memorize a book. Knowledge is not just reading a book. If it was just reading what they learned, Bukhari will not be writing, Tirmidhi will not write, Ibn Majah will not write, Dawood ibn Abdullah, none of them will write. Malik, Shafi, Hanbali, what Allah gave them was understanding of the deen. Man yuridullah bi khair yufaqihu fi din. Anyone that Allah wants to bless, He will give him deeper understanding of the deen. Most of us, what we know is the literal meaning of the Quran and the Hadith. You have no insight of it. None, nada. But we think we do. Listen, my brothers, I said, we were squeezed into this dunya, we would be squeezed into the akhirah. Quote me. What is the squeeze? I told the students today, what is the squeeze? When you are coming to this dunya, 37 weeks, 38 weeks, 39 weeks, 40 or 41, by 42, they want you to come out. Your amniotic fluid is getting low in the womb. The baby has outgrown the womb and is not getting enough nutrient that is needed. Let's talk about the normal baby for a second here. Your imam that talks to you is a nurse that knows what is nursing. I am not just the imam that sits there and just read Quran. I know exactly what happens out there. My brothers, my sisters, listen to this. When the woman is at the point of a labor, look at the womb of the mother. How does it look? How does it look to you? It seems like something is buried inside her womb. When the woman is having a normal delivery, I'm talking about, what happened? They tell her, when you get the contraction, push, hold your breath, squeeze your pelvis area, and then relax after the contraction. And then they tell you again, the contractions is coming, squeeze, push, let go. This is the squeeze and the push of you coming into this dunya, the squeeze that you will not remember. If the pelvis is small, the head is bigger, فَيَا رَبِّ الْإِزَّ وَالْجَلَالِ, it can cause tearing of the woman. This is pure nursing I'm talking here. Leave Quran for a second here. Squeeze. They will tear up the woman so you can come out, and she have to push and use every energy in her body. This is the squeeze to the dunya. You will not remember the squeeze. Some baby will come with a head that is this. Why? From the molding of the womb, from the molding of the pelvis of the woman, because it is smaller, it squeezes the head so tightly. Because the head has not formed completely, it will come, it will be long like this. Go read your biology, go learn your nursing. This is the squeeze of the human being coming to this dunya. What about the squeeze of the human being going to the akhirah? Watch me, Lily, watch me, watch me, Lily. You think they're not squeezing you? For An-Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, every human being that goes to the earth, that's been buried into the grave, shall face the Dammatul Qabr. What is it? Dammatul Qabr, the squeeze of the grave. This is your second squeeze. You were squeezed into this dunya, you will be squeezed into the akhirah. Deeper understanding of knowledge. What is the squeeze? The squeeze will let you know you are no longer in the dunya. This is the squeeze. Everybody will feel the squeeze of the grave. Muslim, kafir, mu'min, it doesn't matter. You will feel it differently. We mentioned the story of the Sahaba. The Rasul said the grave have just squeezed him. You remember the story? He was one of the Hafidul Quran, one of the notable Sahabi. For An-Nabi said, if the grave should have speared anyone, it should have speared the Sahabi. But the Sahabi felt the Dammatul Qabr, the squeeze of the grave. Once the grave squeezes and releases you, Munkar wa Nakir will appear in the grave. Now you know you are in the grave. This is how you know. For sure, you know you are not coming back. That is why Allah said, وَاتَّقُوا يَوْمًا تُرْجَعُونَ فِيهِ إِلَى اللَّهِ. Fear the day that you shall be returning to your Lord. Someone is going to bring you to your Lord. This is the moment. Fear the day. Fear the day that someone is bringing you. They are not only bringing you, I want you to fear number two thing. What is it? Allah said, يوم يأتي لا تكلم نفس إلا بإذنه فمنهم شقي